Hello children, what are you doing and how are you children? Are you studying every day? Today we will study the second lesson. What is it children? The copper coin from your moral science. Children, do you know the meaning of the word generosity? Generosity means a generous act or ready to give money, time or resources to others. In this lesson, we will study about an old woman and her generosity or her generous activity. During the freedom movement, Mahatma Gandhi was going everywhere to collect funds. Funds means money. Children, for what purpose he was collecting funds? Yes, for the Charkha Sangh. What is it, Charkha Sangh, children? Charkha Sangh was a mission of Mahatma Gandhi. Before that, he learned to weave cloth on a handloom from the yarn supplied by mills. Then he wanted to learn the complete process of cloth making. Slowly, he learned this. Then he and his wife spun their own cloth. He had the desire that all the people must do it and wear khadi dress. For this purpose, in 1925, the Charkha Sangh was formed. Now understood, no? It was this Mahatma Gandhi's desire only. For that only, he started this Charkha Sangh. Now, what is this Charkha, children? Charkha means spinning wheel. Charkha means spinning wheel, isn't it? Or spinning wheel for spinning cotton. A spinning wheel is a device for spinning thread or yarn from fibers. Understood? Spinning wheel, it's a device for what? For spinning thread or yarn from fibers. Here you can see our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is doing something. What is that? He is spinning khadi. Here also you can see Mahatma Gandhi, he is spinning. Another picture you see one old woman with a spinning wheel. That is old woman, Irish spinning wheel. So olden times they were spinning in this wheel. Now we will come back to the lesson. One day Gandhiji was addressing a meeting in Orissa. Many people were sitting there and were listening his speech. After the speech, something happened there. What was it, children? Among the audience, there was one old woman and she got up. About her, what is written here, children? You can see her in this picture. Can you see? See, she was very old and she was bending. See her hair. She was having grey hair. White, no? White hair. And her clothes were torn. Just to see her clothes here and there, it is torn. She wanted to go near Gandhiji, but the volunteers stopped her. Why, children? By seeing her poor condition. Very poor old woman only, no? So the volunteers, they did not allow her to go near Gandhiji. But she was a very courageous woman. How can we say that, children? Yes, because she reached the place where Gandhiji was sitting. When she came near to Gandhiji, she touched his feet. Then what did she do, children? Very carefully, she had opened the fold of her sari, brought out a copper coin. She was carrying a copper coin, and that she kept it at Gandhiji's feet. See that in this picture, you can see that one. All were eagerly looking at her. Isn't it, children? Very carefully, she kept that coin were Gandhiji's feet. How did Gandhiji react, children? Very carefully, Gandhiji picked this coin up as a precious stone like a diamond and kept it with him. Jamna Lal Bajaj, that one man, he was in charge of Charka Sangh funds. That means all the money that he was keeping with him. So he asked for that copper coin, but Gandhiji didn't give it to him because he was keeping the money, no? So he has to get the money, but Gandhiji did not give that copper coin to this Jamna Lal Bajaj. Jamna Lal was now laughing. What's the reason, children? Do you know? He said in this way, Gandhiji, sometimes we are getting checks worth thousands of or lakhs of rupees. I am keeping this huge amount with me. Now you are not trusting me to keep this worthless copper coin. See, this Jamna Lal, he did not give any value for this copper coin. But what was Gandhiji's reply, children? He told to Jamna Lal that copper coin had more value than the thousands of rupees that he kept. He kept with him. Then he explained, he means Gandhiji. Gandhiji explained it to everybody. Many people were there, no? To everybody he told like this way. If a man has lots of money and he gives some money to anybody, that is nothing, because that man won't lose anything. But see this woman, she is very poor and she may be having only this copper coin. That means she gave everything, or she is very generous. She had made a great sacrifice. That is why I value this copper coin more than what you have, Jamna Lal. That is why I didn't give you this copper coin. So Gandhiji told like this to everybody, especially to Jamna Lal. Everybody understood and they were happy. All the people, they were very happy. They understood what happened there. Now children, are you happy? I hope you understood this lesson. Okay children, now write and learn this match the following. See, two columns are there, column A and column B. Column A have 4 words. Which are they? First one Charka Sangh, second meeting, third copper coin, fourth very poor. Column B also 4 words. First gift, second old woman, third funds, fourth Orissa. Can you find out the correct answers from column B? Let us try. First one Charka Sangh. What is the meaning? What is the answer? This Charka Sangh. Can you say? Fund. Next word meeting. What is the answer? Orissa. Then next copper coin. Answer gift. Fourth one very poor. What is the answer? Who is so very poor? Old woman. Understood? So these are the answers. So that you write it in your notebook and study these answers. Okay, very good. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.